I'm in Sydney and it's not raining for once, and I need ingredients and equipment for food videos, so let's go out and get some. I'm hanging out today with my brother and his wife, and the first stop is Sydney Markets, which during my year of living in Sydney back in 2017, I had never been to, which is a shame because everything was so much cheaper there, and they only really sell what's in season, so it really made me think about what I should get and what to make. I got a bunch of stuff, some for videos and some for our own meals. I tasted some of the oranges and then ended up buying a box because it was like $15 a box. After the market, I needed some jars, so we hit up Victoria's basement so I could buy some. Originally, I was going to go for the single expensive Kilner jar, which was like $50, but right next to it were these smaller fermenting jars, which are only like $12 each, so I got them. We then drove over to Dulwich Hill, where we parked up. We wanted to check out this place called Sausage Factory, but it wasn't open yet, so we moved on and walked to Marrickville, where we hit up Marrickville pork rolls, which is the best banh mi I've ever had. And then lined up for some Vietnamese food at this place, which I'm not even going to try to pronounce. The food was great, but the congee was my favorite. Something about coriander and congee just hit the spot. After lunch, my brother had to drop off some cookies at a cafe, so we hung about, and I got a macadamia milk flat white, which kind of tasted just like macadamias and not much like coffee. We also tried these sparkling waters, which are flavored with local Aussie ingredients, and lemon myrtle was by far my favorite out of the two. Then our final stop was Donut Puppy in Redfern, since they're friends with my brother. Got some donuts from them, and oh my god, they're the softest, fluffiest donuts I've ever had. Then when we got home, I unpacked and checked out my jars, made myself a highball and drank it out on the balcony and watched the sunset because it's supposed to get back to raining tomorrow in Sydney.